Matchafest Miami. It's 1 week away, and I think it's crazy that this was just an idea I had laying in the bed and brought it to life. And I think it gave a lot of confirmation that this is the beginning of a new era of turning ideas into execution and the benefit of what comes from them when you do so. The most important thing about Matchafest is that it releases a lot of limitations and doesn't make me attached to an identity. This is not the normal thing a person like me would do. So I think as we make this documentary or document this process, it's important to know that Matchafest is just a collection of like God power. It's not really the end all, or it's not even the biggest thing. It's one of the biggest. Because I think once you label something the biggest, you put a ceiling on wherever else you're headed. But I'm excited. Can't believe it's 9 days away. This is the second one, and it's looking crazy. About to hit 1,000 tickets sold. We got hit up by a couple of really big sponsors to take it bigger.
You know, how we can possibly help.
Yeah, sounds good. So we haven't confirmed any yet, but just happy to grow and create something that I didn't need to rely on donations about, just good transactional value between me and filling the void of what people are looking for in an event, in a product, in branding, and excited to see where else this is headed. But this is also just me on my couch before the madness, and yeah, I don't really have much more.